Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Screaming Frog for technical SEO crawls, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Screaming Frog, first, visit the official Screaming Frog website. Navigate to the download section of the site. Choose the version of Screaming Frog that suits your operating system. Download the installation file and locate it on your computer. Open the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Once the installation is complete, launch the Screaming Frog application. On the main screen, you will find an option to enter license key in the menu. If you do not have a key yet, click on the option to purchase a license. Complete the purchase process by filling in your details and making a payment. After purchasing, check your email for the license key. Copy the license key from your email. Return to the Screaming Frog application. Paste the license key into the designated field. Click the button to activate your license. Once activated, you're ready to configure the settings for your technical SEO crawl. Enter the URL of the website you want to crawl in the provided field. Adjust any crawl settings as needed. Click the Start button to initiate the crawl. Monitor the progress as Screaming Frog analyzes the website. Once the crawl is complete, review the results in the application interface. You can now export the crawl data for further analysis or reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.